Hey legends!
I'm Jazzy.
And I am Robbie.
We are going to be showing you how to make our top 3 favorite cocktails. Now, they look incredible, are easy to make, and they're great for parties, date nights, hanging out with your friends, or even at your restaurant.
Yeah, they sure are. And as a guy, I know most of us just stick to the beers. Please, I implore you to give these cocktails a go. They will be delicious. And if you don't drink alcohol, that is okay. We are going to add a mocktail recipe in the description box below.
Okay, so we have 3 different varieties of cocktails to cater for all taste buds. And the first one is the classic Mojito. Now, this is probably the easiest to make. It is simple, not that many ingredients, and it's got lots of flavors of like lime and mint.
And the next cocktail will be an Amaretto sour. And this one's a little bit more difficult to make, but it is definitely worth it if you love a little bit of that sour taste.
Now the last cocktail is a Lychee sunset dream, which is my own creation. Now, this is fruity. It's probably the hardest one to make.
Definitely. And from our experiences, guys, the best thing to do with these kind of recipes, whether it be drinks or food, is to just give it a go. Trial and error is the key to making the perfect recipe.
Yeah.
Let's get into it. For one classic mojito, you will need firstly mint, usually around 6 leaves, 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, 1.5 tablespoons of lime juice, can be substituted with lemon, 1 fresh or frozen lime, 2 shots of white rum, club soda, and then ice.
Now, of course, with all of these cocktails, you can do them by hand and just squeeze and crush however you want. But to make it really professional like you would get from a bartender, you will need these tools.
Start by adding your mint leaves to your extra glass for mixing. Add the simple syrup and fresh lime juice. Begin to muddle by gently pushing a few times and release the flavour of the mint. Then pour rum and mix. Add ice into your cocktail glass and top with club soda. Garnish with a few slices of lime and a mint stem.
No, it actually tastes really good. This is really good if you don't love like a lot of flavor. It's very basic, fresh. Like it's super fresh. Now we're on to the next cocktail, which is one of my favorites. It is the Amaretto sour that actually was introduced to me by a family friend named Mary Lee. Now, first things first, if you have a nut allergy, Amaretto sour isn't the one for you because apparently it's made from almonds, like they extracted the Amaretto.
You're lying, really? For one Amaretto sour cocktail, you will need the following: 1.5 shots of Amaretto liqueur, 2 tablespoons of simple syrup, 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, lemon lime soda, 1 orange slice, 1 to 2 maraschino cherries, and ice.
Since we're in Australia, it is hard to find those cherries, so we're just gonna stick with the normal ones for today, and we'll let you know how it tastes. Pour the Amaretto, simple syrup, and lemon juice into the cocktail shaker. After securing the lid, give it a few shakes to combine all of the ingredients. Strain into a glass filled with ice and top with lemon lime soda. The huge orange.
Comically big.
Garnish with an orange slice and cherries. Oh, you know what we forgot? The egg white. That's okay.
Why'd you say it now?
Well, it doesn't matter. Usually an Amaretto sour has like the froth at the top.
Oh,
So you have the egg white,
okay.
but we're doing a vegan version apparently.
Woo! Dude,
And with the normal cherries, it's fine. Like, I wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. Now all you need is a 1/4 cup of frozen dragon fruit, 1/2 cup of lychees, cherry juice, 1 shot of simple syrup, 4 shots of white rum or vodka, mint stem, 1/2 shot of lemon juice, 1 shot of blue curacao, ice, and an orange slice. This cocktail is the hardest to make, not because of how to make it, more because there's so many ingredients involved, but trust me, it's worth it because it's gonna look super pretty. Begin by mixing your base layer of the cocktail. Add 2 cups of ice, half of your dragon fruit, 2 shots of rum, cherry juice, and blend.
Then pour the mixture into 2 glasses.
Next layer, we will need another 2 cups of ice, the other half of the dragon fruit, lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of lychees, and 1 shot of rum, then blend.
A tip that I learned from working in a bar is to use a spoon to help separate the different layers.
For the final layer, blend the remaining ingredients. The more ice you put into it, the thicker the layers are going to be and easier to blend, but we've run out of ice, so we're working with what we got. Okay, so to finish off the look, we garnish with the oranges. You just slice it in the middle.
Comically big.
Very big. Whoa!
Whoa!
What?
Whoa!
We might have to sip it. And then we finish it off with a mint leaf.
So guys, that is it for our 3 cocktails, all made from the comfort of our own home.
And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also comment your favorite cocktail.
Yeah, 100%. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you
ya.
guys.